Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Karen Breyer, and today we are making a delicious vegan mayonnaise. This is so easy to make. It's healthy. If you're looking for a healthier mayonnaise, I think you're going to love this. The ingredients in this recipe are a box of shelf-stable firm tofu, raw cashews, lemon juice, honey, onion powder, and kosher salt. All you need to do is add all these ingredients to a blender. The first ingredient is firm tofu, the shelf-stable box. I have New silken tofu. I don't know if there's other brands, but I always get this. Next, 1 cup of raw cashews, and I get the ones that are like in pieces. It's cheaper and it doesn't matter because we're going to blend them. 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and fresh is better, but I have bottled. 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. Okay, it looks like I have 2 tablespoons, although sometimes some of it gets stuck in the spoon. Next, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. You could use a different kind of salt if you like, and also adjust the seasonings to your taste. Now we're going to blend all the ingredients until the mixture is very smooth. I'm going to start on low and then increase to high. You might want to scrape down the sides once to make sure it gets mixed well. Blend it one more time. Looks very smooth. You can see it's really runny right now, but we're going to chill it and it will thicken up. So I'm going to go ahead and put it into a bowl. Okay, I'm going to chill this and then we'll try it. Okay, our vegan mayonnaise has been chilling for a while. It started to get thicker. So I'm going to go ahead and use it to make a sandwich. Or it's a little too much. Got a superfood burger, some red onions, lettuce, tomatoes. How delicious is this? Super healthy, easy to make. Makes about 3 cups, so you have plenty for later. Try it, and I'll see you in the next lesson. I'm ready to try it. So good. And the extra mayo I could just spread over the top. Delicious.